Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Float. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Dishwasher Float. The Dishwasher Float tells the dishwasher when it's full of water, the main reason you should be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the dishwasher is overfilling and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull out the lower rack. Once you have it out, you can just lift it off and set it aside. Now that we have the lower dish rack out, we can take off the filter cover so we can get access to the float. All you have to do is turn it so it unlocks and then lift it off and set it aside. Once you have the filter out of the way, we can reach in and pull the float out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old dishwasher float next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new dishwasher float in, all you have to do is set it into the opening and set it down into place. Once you have it in there, we can put the filter back in. We're just going to set it back into place and turn it so the arrows line up and it's locked in. Once you have it in, we can put the lower dish rack back in. In order to put it back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into place. Once you have it in, you close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.